Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy tablets in Flipkart Freedom Sale. So in this video I will talk about Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, Xiaomi Pad 7, Xiaomi Pad 8, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, S9 FE Plus, Tab S10 FE Plus, etc. So stay tuned till the last. Looking for the best premium mid-range Android tablet, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus should definitely be on your list. The best price to buy this tablet is around 38 to 40,000 during major sales with bank offers. In this freedom sale, you will get discounts on SBI credit card. In this tablet, you will get a great high quality display, S Pen included in the box, excellent multimedia experience and quad speakers with IP68 water resistance. If you get this tablet under 40,000 rupees, in that case you can make the purchase, otherwise you should wait for another sale that will be Big Billion Days sale. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus. The first, these tablets may not be available at deep discounts anymore because they are older models and stock is becoming limited. So if you find Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE at around 20,000 rupees, it's a fantastic value. And if the Galaxy S9 FE Plus drops to around 23 to 25,000 rupees, you can definitely make the purchase. Otherwise, you should skip these tablets if you get S9 FE Plus over 30,000 price point. We all know that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a very good tablet with 90Hz of refresh rate in the display, S Pen included in the box, IP68 water and dust resistance, great speakers, excellent software support for everyday use, and you will get Exynos 1380 processor. So definitely it's a very good mid-range tablet. Many people are asking me about Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Though Flipkart is advertising Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, but I don't think you will get great discounts on this tablet. If you get it at around 33 to 35,000 rupees, you can definitely make the purchase. In this tablet, you will get an 11-inch 120Hz of refresh rate with dynamic AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, S Pen included in the box, IP68 water resistance and flagship level performance. You will experience deeper blacks on this AMOLED display and multimedia consumption will be a treat to the eyes. Planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 7? Here is the price you should wait for. The 8GB and 128GB variant is worth buying at around 20,000 rupees, while the 12GB and 256GB version becomes a fantastic deal if you get this at around 23,000 rupees. These are target deals prices rather than regular retail prices. You will get a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, 140Hz refresh rate with 3.2K display. So I think you will have a great experience using this tablet. This is a very good mid-range tablet. Another tablet in the list is Xiaomi Pad 8. This is one of the best tablets under the price point of 30,000. So if you want to get the 128GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 30,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 32,000 rupees. In this tablet you will get Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor along with 11.2-inch 3.2K display, 9200 mAh battery with 45-watt charging support. So finally, in the conclusion, these are the best prices of these tablets. If you want to know the price of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will definitely answer your questions. The only condition is that you have to like the video and ask your question. Then I will answer your questions, and when the sale will start, I will suggest you whether you should buy any tablet or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.